there's the
So
the
they
Wave branded
don't have.
and Wave unbranded.
That's what I was trying to say.
But I will say there's one thing about the Wave branded that's really interesting that I didn't expect, and that is that, and Sam's done an awesome job. I mean, he goes out there and he's a subject matter expert. He's worked in the security industry like me for a long time. But what really gains sort of the momentum, I think, for us has been, we're a third party. We're not you. So we're talking about your product and really sort of reviewing, how does this work? Why does it work? And I love that because that's how I've always done demos is I'm showing, oh, this is really cool.
It's a third party.
Yeah. And you have to have that
Yeah.
if you want to, again, that builds trust because you saying you're great,
Yes.
versus me saying, hey, this is a really great product.